everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and today I'm standing outside Cedar Avenue because they're doing a lot of construction over here. It's actually pretty cool what they've done so far. They're currently ripping down the two old ramps. This actually would be Hunt's Theater and then Dracula's Pier. They're ripping down the old ramps and they're going to be building brand new ones, and at the same time building a fantastic parking lot because this is gravel over here. They can put more gravel down. And then over here they started ripping out this parking lot. So they're doing a lot of work right here on Cedar Avenue. Now what's interesting is that years ago, they originally were going to build the boardwalk from here all the way over to downtown Wildwood. And for me, I kind of wish that they would do that. I mean, if you look, it's a clear shot straight, literally all the way over to Burn Plaza. City, I really wish you would do that because I think that'd be great. I know years ago they were talking about even making it like a chairlift system like they do at Disney, or have the tram car come all the way down here, circle around over there, and come all the way back over here. That would be smart and would be pretty cool. But let me go ahead and video around here for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel though first. Quick question for you guys. I'm filming up here, and of course they have go-karts back here on the back of what I guess you could still sort of consider this Nichols Pier, almost in a sense. What do you kind of wish they did with this here? Do you think maybe they should get rid of the go-karts here? Maybe add in rides? Maybe add in some shops? I mean, I was just thinking about, obviously there's still going to be go-karts, but I was just thinking it would be cool if they actually added more rides. More you should buy the little party nuts and rides. Just my opinion. What do you guys think? Comment below. That's all I have for you guys today. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell, and as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later.